shit motherfuckers. Hey, George Barden. George Barden. Whatever the fucking name is. Hello? Anyone can hear me? Oh, bitch, bitch, bitch! Bitch! Who the fuck killed me? Fucking hate this shit, motherfucker. You guys are fucking faggots! Fuck you! Fuck you! Ah, bitch! Bitch! He fucking... Oh, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. Hey, smiley face guy! Smiley face guy! Oh my god, really? He's had to fucking kill me after I fucking killed some motherfucker. Next person that kills me, I'm gonna fuck your mom. Oh, bitch, man! George Barden? Thought we were friends. The fuck? What are these guys, man? The fuck?